The best part about rainbows? Making them rain! Uh-oh, you're out of ink! It's our printer all over again! Don't worry, your Sprunky friends can help. Sky always wanted to be in a band. A cotton swab? I think we should use the clean side. Either way, cover it up with double-sided tape. Now it's time to stack our Sprunkies. It's almost like a rainbow. Sorta. Kinda. Dip it in ink and write your heart out. And you can even change colors. The best part, it's made with love. Remember, in math, it's best to use a pencil. Or at least one of those erasable pens. On second thought, maybe use a calculator. So why don't we make one ourselves? And can you tell who's a real math whiz? How about I give you a little hint? It's someone who's really into spring. That's right, it's Vinaria. Don't forget her flowers. That's right, 2 plus 2 is 4. Seems so obvious now. Ooh, a Pop-It toy. Oh, careful with those nails. Seriously, we lose more Pop-It toys this way. Well then, we'll just need to make a new toy. First, we need to make a cube. It's Sky. But remember, cubes are three-dimensional. Otherwise, they'd just be a bunch of squares. Oh, so that's what Sleeping Beauty's been up to. I don't think she'll mind if we borrow some slime. We can store it in our secret Sky box. While we're at it, don't forget his ears, or his cowlick. It's kind of his trademark. Give him a squeeze and he'll share the goop. Hi everyone, it's Oren, but you're missing something. Much better. Now you need some company. Let's fix that. And here are your backpacks. And just in time. Tree's here for a pruning. And just in time. To be fair, I guess a worm's gotta eat too. And you've got all sorts of stuff in your leaves. We'll put this bag to better use. Fill it with paint. Add clucker on top. And squeeze those pores. Ooh, an apple! It's filled with slime! Aw, I was hoping for a worm. Either way, let's slice up a cucumber. It's got slime too, and it's pink. Add some glue and keep on mixing. Now wrap it up with double-sided tape. This rainbow's all wet. Makes sense. But look at all the treasures inside. Ooh, could this be a pot of gold? It's something even better. Slime! I would have spent the gold on slime anyway. After all, just see what it can do! We can whip up some familiar faces. Oh, I wonder what's in this old book. Old dogs. Want to teach them new tricks? Better yet, put them in our doggy carrier. Next up, empty out an old shoebox. Now fill it up with everything your new puppies will love. I think it's time for the big homecoming. Just make yourself at home, doggy duo. Oh, now let's do something for the cats. Here, this should cheer you up. Cat food. Cat food doesn't help. Now that's sad. Well, we can at least wipe your tears and clean you up too. What you could really use is a bath, a bubble bath. I think someone's starting to enjoy themselves. Pretty soon, that frown will turn upside down. You look fantastic, kitty. That means it's selfie time. Ooh, it's time to take a trip to the pet hospital. The first patient is a giant koala. What's wrong? You say you need an X-ray? Well, first, let's get you a hospital gown. Now relax. This shouldn't take too long. Wow, the photos are ready. That was fast. Ooh, I think we need to take more tests. Here, lie down. You should start feeling sleepy. We'll need to make a thorough analysis. Record the temperature and any symptoms. Don't worry, it doesn't seem too serious. All you need is a little medicine. Now you might feel a little pinch. We're done. Now you get a Band-Aid. Aw, someone's a brave little koala. So proud of you. Nature is just full of hidden secrets. Can it be? It's a rare unicorn egg. Always peg them as marsupials. Wow, baby unicorns are a big responsibility. Don't cry. A fresh diaper to the rescue. Aw, who's Mama's little cryptid? Next up, let's play with your paper dolls. Let's see. First, pick out an outfit for Jax. I think that's too much purple. Aha! Can't go wrong with overalls. Or shades. Gesundheit. Well, let's move on with the cat. Hey, shouldn't we save that for Pomni? Never mind. If it works, it works. Now work that catwalk. Aw, poor kitty. You could use our help. First, we'll blast off those blemishes. Next, pluck off all those excess hairs. Now it's time for some cleansing foam. Give it time and then wipe it off. Once we're clean, it's face mask time. Nice and soft. And look, you get to be a bunny. Ooh, guess the early bird really does catch the worm. But this hen's got an even bigger surprise for you. An egg! And it's already boiled. Let's slice it up. Aw, they're a pair of twins. Looks like this hamster needs a dentist. Aw, don't be scared, little guy. We'll be gentle. Let's start with a thorough brushing. Ugh. Now let's clear any stuck food. Gotta be careful with these sunflower seeds. Still, don't let it go to waste. That goes double for candy. Looks like you've got a cavity. Let's take a closer look. Add some filling. And your tooth will be good as new. Time for a trip to the paper farm. How now, brown cow? Oh, she's having a baby. We'll get the barn nice and cozy for you. Your brand new calf will appreciate it too. Happy birthday! Now we need some milk for the baby. Thank you. Let's give the calf a bottle. Aw, a teddy bear. He likes honey, but so do the bees. Uh-oh, we need to be careful with this hive. Think of the stingers, or worse, paper cuts. Now it seems safe. Let's collect the honey. Grab some honeycomb, mix it up, and what have we got? Slime? Well, I guess that makes sense after all. A pretend bear prefers pretend honey. But horses are always a classic. Still, who can say no to a makeover? Let's just finish up your haircut. And pour on some melted chocolate. And now it's time for a pedicure. Add some sparkle to those hooves. But don't forget some new hair. We're gonna need some rainbows, lots of them. This pony looks good enough to eat. And I think she'll do just that. Ooh, a squishy unicorn. Let's blow it up. Wait, don't! Oh, you just had to burst her bubble. Well, if we can't beat them, join them. Slice up another squishy unicorn and fill it up with some sprinkles. And lemonade. I think she's had her fill. In fact, I think you've sprung a leak. Either way, I think she's got enough to share. Uh-oh, look out, unicorn! Both of you! Oh no, you're a pancake! Well, don't worry. We'll put you back into shape soon enough. Now let's make 2 unicorns and fill them up with sprinkles. And make a sandwich. But let's shake out the excess stuffing. Come on, save some for the cupcakes. Really, there's plenty to go around. Ah, the jelly unicorn. It's gummy royalty. Even if it occasionally breaks out. Well, they're not gonna pop themselves. So that's where ribbon candy comes from. And I guess that's where it ends up. An eyeball? I know who could use one. So bright-eyed and bushy-maned. Time for a bite. Remember, the eyes candy too. Jelly doesn't stay too long around here.